In this quick walkthrough, we'll show you how to connect the Peach Payments Gateway in AdvanceCM so you can securely collect and track payments directly from the platform. Before you begin, make sure you have an active Peach Payments account, admin access in AdvanceCM with MFA enabled, and your Peach API credentials ready. Log into AdvanceCM, then click on Settings. Next, select the Payments option. Now click the Add Gateway button to connect a new payment gateway. Locate Peach Payments and click Connect. Enter the required gateway credentials from your Peach Payments account, then click Connect to authorize AdvanceCM. After connecting, you'll see confirmation that Peach Payments is active. You can now view payment stats and the activity log directly from the Gateway Details screen. Once connected, you can start using Peach Payments to collect invoice payments directly in AdvanceCM, and that's it. Peach Payments is now connected to AdvanceCM, giving you secure and convenient transactions.